আজি টপ 100 সিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং এমচিকিউ মক টেষ্ট আলোচনা কৰা হ'ব 100টা এমচিকিউ আৰু এইকেইটা 100টা এমচিকিউ ইজ মোষ্ট ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট এমচিকিউ বলা ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যনটো দিয়া আছে the effective length of a column in a RCC frame building frame as per IS 456 2000 is independent of the first option দিয়া আছে frame type span of the beam height of column loading acting on the frame তো আমাৰ correct optionটো হ'ব load acting on the frame. Question number 2. Which one of the following stone is produced by molding a mixture of iron slag and Portland cement? By molding a mixture of iron slag and Portland cement. So first of all, imperial stone, garlic stone, ransom stone, Victoria stone. So it is into imperial stone. Yes, this is an artificial stone. Yeah, casted stone বুলিও জানো, but this is constructed from cement, sand, and natural aggregate, such as crushed stone. Next, garlic stone. Garlic stone, this is also employed as a surface drains and flagstones, which is provided by mixing and casting Portland cement and iron slag. So, our question to this is molding a mixture of iron slag and Portland cement. So, our answer to correct option to garlic stone. Question number 3. Full amount of super elevation on a horizontal curve is provided at the যেহেতু horizontal curve is provided, this is the full amount of super elevation. So beginning of the transition curve নহয়, center of the circular curve নহয়, end of transition curve. Yes, end of transition curve is the correct option. ঠিক আছে? Question number 4. If the ratio of fine sand is increased in a concrete mix, its workability is likely to since fine sand is increased, so the workability will be decreased. So option A is the correct. Question number 5. A district road with a bituminous pavement has a horizontal curve 100 meter for a design speed 75 kilometer per hour. The super elevation. So we know the formula E is equal to V square divided by 225 R. R is the radius and V is the design speed. So sorry, R, yes, R. So here V is 75 and 225 into R. What is the value of R? The value of R is 1000 meter. So after calculating, we get 1 divided by 40. So our correct option is A is the correct option. Question number 6. The most commonly used modern instrument in surveying is, since the question is modern instrument. Okay, so basically this is total station is the correct option. Question number 7. Sorry, it will printing mistakes. It don't know, huh? You know. Question is garbage. Garbage is mainly considered as a solid or dry waste, and which is includes wastes from our house, like domestic waste and waste from schools and offices. ঠিক আছে? So our answer is the correct option. Question number 8. The shrinkage of concrete. Since shrinkage is the change in volume of concrete. Change in volume of concrete. ঠিক আছে? So shrinkage of concrete is in the proportional to water content in the mix. Yes, is proportional to cement concrete. Yes, increase with age of concrete. Yes, so our correct option is D is the correct option. All of the above. ঠিক আছে? Question number 9. Well foundation are commonly used as foundation for the following structures. Since well foundation is a type of deep foundation. Okay, it is a deep foundation, and deep foundation is generally provided below water level, like for bridges, aqueducts. So our correct option is water tank নহয়. Yes, bridge. Building son হবো, reciprocating machine son হবো। Our correct option is bridge the correct option. Question number 10. High percentage of C3S and low percentage of C2S in a cement will result in, so since C3S, this is our bogus compound, 7-day strength and hardness. ঠিক আছে? C3S. Similarly C2S, this is provide ultimate strength. ঠিক আছে? And C3AF, sorry, C3A, this is provide ultimate strength or flash setting. ঠিক আছে? Not ultimate strength, flash setting. And C3AF, this is pure cementing value. Actually, no engineering use. So our option since low percent of C3S and high percent of C2S, so this is less resistive to chemical attack. ठीक है now this is the correct option only 3. Calculate the area of the form of required for a beam of 2 meter span to there say 2 meter and cross section dimension of 400 mm and 200 mm. ठीक है so here width is 400 mm, that means 0.4 meter, and depth, so width 200 meter, width 200, depth is 400 meter, 400 mm, which is zero point 0.4, it is 2. Okay, so for work, bottom surface of the beam will be 2 into zero point 0.2, which is 0.4 meter square, and for sides 2 into 2 into 0.40, which is 1.6 meter square, so total form of required, total 1.6 plus 0.4 is equal to 2 meter. ठीक है, so our correct option is D, 2 meters. How many bags? So question number 12. How many bags of cement are required for 14 cubic meter of cement concrete work? So our ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 4. We know for 1 meter cube, it is 1.54 divided by 1 plus addition of ratio 4, which is equal to 0.22. And for 14 meter cube, it is 0.22 into 14, which is equal to 3.08 meter cube. So number of bags, number of cement bags, this will be quantity of cement. So the quantity of cement is 3.08 divided by volume of cement 0.35035, which is equal 88 bags. So correct option is C is the correct option. Question number 13. Question number 13. The gradual reduction in value with as of a property is so it will have devaluation now depreciation is the correct option. C is the correct option. Question number 14. A bond produced by laying alternate courses wholly composed of headers or stressors is also since this is wholly composed of headers or stressors and creates a laying alternate courses. So stressor header one no stressor header one header stressor one no. So this is English, yes, English bond is the correct option. Question number 15. If excess silica is present in bricks, it makes the bricks since if silica is in excess amount, okay, then it makes the brick brittle and কি করে weak on burning. ঠিক আছে, so our correct option is A is the correct option. Similarly, if limeৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতো যদি excess lime থাকে তেতিয়া কি হ'ব, তাৰ যোনটো শেপ আছে ব্ৰিকটো শেপটো লষ্ট হৈ যাব. Similarly, এলুমিনা যদি আমাক এক্সেছত থাকে তেতিয়া আমাৰ যোনটো ৰ ব্ৰিক্স আছে সেইটো কি হ'ব শ্ৰিংক হৈ যাব আৰু ৰাফ হ'ব যেতিয়া আমি কি ড্ৰাই কৰিম অৰ বাৰ্নিং কৰিম. ঠিক আছে, question number 16. As per Indian railway standards, the length of rail used in broad gauge is broad gauge. See, broad gauge actually 12 point something, 12.8. So we can say 13 meter. Similarly, meter gauge it will be 11.89, which is approximately 12 meter. So our this is a busy. So our correct option is 13. C is the correct option. The effect of curvature of Earth is neglected in case the area to be surveyed is less than এইটো কাৰণে হ'ব 260, yes 260, less than হ'ব লাগিব 260 kilometer square kilometer. Our correct option is 260 square kilometer. Which of the following is an activity? Yes, construction of foundation is an activity. Construction of roof, yes, is an activity. Construction of superstructure is also an activity. So all of the above is the correct option is the D. Which is not true? PERT is used in research and development projects since we know the PERT is program evaluation review technique and it is an oriented network, yes, event oriented. So which is not true? Yes, activity oriented. So this is also correct, this is also correct. And not correct is person activity oriented, not it is an event oriented. So our correct option is the B. M book is used to record measurements. Yes, M book to আমি কত ইউজ করি actually. So work measurements of works only নহয়, measurements of material supply নহয়, extra work done aside নহয়, work done as well as supply materials. Yes, option D is the correct option. Question number 21. The process of adding water to lime to convert it into a hydrated lime is time based. Since the process of adding of water to lime, lime আমি water to add কৰিম কিহত convert কৰিবলৈ hydrated lime. So our watering নহয়, baking নহয়, hydration নহয়, slaking. Yes, slaking is the correct option. Question number 22. The most widely used pump for lifting sewage, centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump is the correct option. Is the A. The time period for air seasoning of softwood since 2 to 3 months, yes, and if hardwood যদি এইটো হার্ডউড হয় হার্ডউডৰ কাৰণে আমাৰ সিজনিংটো 3 to 4 months হয় ঠিক আছে হার্ডউডৰ কাৰণে এটা মনত ৰাখিব হার্ডউডৰ কাৰণে হার্ডউডৰ কাৰণে 3 to sorry 6 to 12 months okay. Question number 24. Suspended impurities in water consideration. It is a suspended, so iron নহব chlorine নহব bacteria নহব, yes, it is a suspended impurities. Question number 25. Lamp holes are located between two manholes at the head of sewer. Lamp hole between two manholes. A is the correct option. Question number 26. The plastic modulus of a section is 5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter cube. Its shape factor is 1.2 and the plastic moment capacity is 120 kilonewton meter. What is the value of the yield stress? So we know a formula. Plastic moment capacity MP is equal to ZP into sigma y. This is the yield stress. So sigma y will be MP divided by ZP. So when we put the value 120 SS, so it will be 10 to the power 3 multiply kori Newton meter line or ZP plastic modulus of section 5 into 10 to the power minus 4. So our answer will be 240 into 10 to the power 6 Newton per millimeter square. ঠিক আছে সরি মিটার স্কয়ার হবো আর এটো কনভার্ট করলে আমার হবে 240 নিউটন 240 Newton per millimeter square হবো. So our yes option is the correct option. Question number 27. Dowel Dowel bar used in a cement concrete pavement is expansion joint. Yes, expansion joint আমি ইউজ করব ঠিক আছে option is the correct option. Question number 20. Which of the following methods is used to find the specific gravity of soil in laboratory? Laboratory আমি কোনটো method actually use করব আমি yes trigonometer diameter নহয় এটা নহব if the porosity of a soil sample is 0.6 then the value of the void ratio. We know a formula modified formula n divided by 1 minus n ঠিক আছে so it was so put the value n is 0.6 1 minus 0.6 then we will get 1.5. Yes, option D is the correct option. Question number 30. Mohor's scale is used for stone to determine its disease. Mohor's scale. So, लेकिन in this तो ना हो stone तो ना हो durability ना हो D is the correct option. Question number 31. Long and short wall method is also known as out to out method ना हो into in method ना हो out to out and into method. This is the correct option. So C is the correct answer. Question number 32. The big construction project, the percent cost of construction equipment in terms of the total project cost is about. So it আমি লও 15 to 13%. ঠিক আছে if there is a pressure of black cotton soil up to 3 meter depth flowed by a medium dense wind, then which one of the flowing type of foundation will be suitable? So spread underlying is underlying piles. Question number 34. An invert tap is made of an alloy of it was brass and steel. ঠিক আছে option C is the correct option. Option D A B আছে এটা brass and nickel steel হবে ঠিক আছে brass and steel. Which one of the following is suitable for water disinfection? Water disinfection কারণে ozone treatment হয়, yes, UV treatment হয়, chlorination হয়, yes, all of the. Question number 36. The approximate weight of 1 cubic meter of mild steel is 7850. Option C is the correct option. Question number 37. The calcination of pure lime result in pure lime, so my quick lime. Option A is the correct option. Question number 38. Addition of pozzolana to cement decreases workability. নহয়. Increases strength. নহয়. Increases heat of adhesion. নহয়. So none of this. What is the maximum limit of super elevation as recommended by ISC? So এইটো আমাৰ since maximum গৈছে না maximum limit of super elevation by 10%, yes, 10%. Coefficient of permeability is determined in field by which method? Pumping in and out method. Option A. In sand surveying, the line which fixes the direction of all other lines, check line নহয়, baseline is, and which is the longest line. Question number 42. Convert the given reduced bearing north 50 degree 58 degree হয় to 24 minute west to whole circle bearing reduced to WCB কৰিব লাগে. We know since this is north, this is south, east, west. So আমাক দিছে 50 degree to north west. So it is 58 degree 24 minutes. So this is the whole circle bearing. That means 360 degree minus 58 degree 24 minutes. So final answer will be 301 degree 36 minutes. That's one. Question number 43. Curvature correction to a star reading in a defined leveling is always since it is a curvature correction to a star reading curvature correction, so it is always subtractive. ঠিক আছে, question number 44. Units of turbidity is গ্রাম per liter নহয়, unit less নহয়, এইটো হ'ব nephelometric turbidity units. ঠিক আছে, units of turbidity. Question number 45. pH of sea water 6 point নহয়, 8.2 9.3 নহয়, 6.2 to 7.8 এইটো নহয়, 7.5 is option D is the correct option. Question number 46. And amoeba histolytica causes which of the following disease? Typhoid fever নহয়, leptospirosis নহয়, anthrax নহয়, এইটো হ'ব তোমাৰ dysentery. Option D is the correct option. Question number 47. The method of leveling used to carry out reconnaissance of area is, এইটো হ'ব আমাৰ fly leveling. ঠিক আছে, the method of leveling used to carry reconnaissance of area. This is the fly leveling. Option B is the correct option. Isogonic lines are the lines having this. First of all, what is isogonic lines? So isogonic lines actually is the are the lines having the same declination. Yes, having the same declination. আৰু এইটো যদি isoclinic হল হয় তেতিয়া কি হয়, isoclinic মানে same deep হল, এইটো কাৰণে declination টো হ'ব। তাৰপিছত হ'ব educational buildings belongs to এইটো আমাৰ অপশ্যন বি হ'ব, গ্ৰুপ বি হয় এডুকেশ্যনেল বিল্ডিং। ঠিক আছে, আৰু গ্ৰুপ এ যদি থাকে, গ্ৰুপ এ হয় ৰেচিডেন্সিয়েল বিল্ডিঙৰ কাৰণে, আৰু গ্ৰুপ বি হয় এডুকেশ্যনেল বিল্ডিঙৰ কাৰণে, আৰু গ্ৰুপ চি হয় ইনষ্টিটিউচনেল বিল্ডিঙৰ কাৰণে, আৰু গ্ৰুপ ডি হ'ব আমাৰ এছেম্বলি বিল্ডিঙৰ কাৰণে। ঠিক আছে, কোৱেশ্যন নাম্বাৰ 50. As per IS 1077/1992, the standard modular size of common building bricks is এইটো কাৰণে হ'ব আমাৰ standard size হ'ব 19, এইটো অপশ্যন 1999 সেন্টিমিটার, আৰু যদি উইথ মৰ্টাৰ হ'ব তেতিয়া হ'ব আমাৰ 20 10 and 10 সেন্টিমিটার। ঠিক আছে, আৰু standard size হ'ব আমাৰ 19 টো। Question number 51. In the analysis of an operational flow, usually if the flow number is less than 1, the flow is termed as less than 1. So for less than 1, it is subcritical flow হ'ব, আৰু যদি greater than 1 হয়, that is supercritical flow. ৰাখিবা supercritical flow, আৰু যদি equal 1 হয়, that is critical flow. Question number 52. A simply supported beam carrying UDL on entire span, the value of the deflection will এইটো WL/48 নহ'ব, এইটো নহ'ব, 5/384 WL/4 yes এইটো হ'ব। আৰু আমাৰ যদি এইটো দি আছিলে কেৰিং UDL, UDL কাৰণে এইটো হয়, আৰু যদি UDL নিদিয়ে আমাক যদি তোমাৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেট লোড দিয়া হয় তেতিয়া হ'ব আমাৰ WL3/48 EI. This is for concentrated load. Question number 53. Least count of Barnard theodolite is, Barnard theodolite কাৰণে লিষ্ট কাউণ্ট হ'ব আমাৰ 1 ডিগ্ৰী নহ'ব 20 ছেকেণ্ড। ঠিক আছে, আৰু আমাৰ প্ৰিজমেটিক কম্পাছৰ যোনটো লিষ্ট কাউণ্ট হয় এইটো আমাৰ 30 মিনিট মনত ৰাখিবা, আৰু লেভেলিং ষ্টাফ 5 mm হ'ব। ঠিক আছে, জাষ্ট ডাম্বি লেভেলৰো 5 mm থাকে। ঠিক আছে, question number 54. The process of locating the intermediate points on a survey line is এইটো actually ranging হ'ব। What is the longest of the main survey line? Longest is the baseline. ঠিক আছে, এইটো ওপৰত দিয়া আছে question. Question number 56. The best and engineering way of collection of refuses is by, this is answer is collection of usage manual, এইটো অপশ্যনটো নহয়, road side নহয়, municipal tax directly from this এইটো। Question number 57. The design period of a sewage system should be এইটো আমাৰ 10 নহয় 15 to 20 years হ'ব, আৰু যদি সাপোজ আমি ড্যাম থাকিলে হয়, ড্যামৰ কাৰণে আমাক লাগে 50 years। ঠিক আছে, আৰু distribution system কাৰণে 30 years লয়। Question number 58. The bacteria which survive in the presence as well as absence of oxygen are known as anaerobic নহয়, aerobic নহয়, facultative. This is option C is the correct. So 59 এইটো আমাৰ option C হ'ব, side channel নহয়, এইটো নহ'ব। Question number 60. A sluice is a conduit for carrying, এইটো actually তোমাৰ sluice টো হ'ব এইটো হয়, an opening in a structure for এইটো হয় to cause water flow high এটা velocity for wasted purpose excavation এটো হয়, এটো তোমাৰ any of the list হ'ব। Question number 61, obrometer pluviometer is used to measure actually তোমাৰ এইটো soil moisture stress নহ'ব, এইটো rainfall depth কাৰণে measure কৰা যায়। তাৰপিছত হ'ব triaxial comparison test, triaxial comparison test টো আমি is used to determine the shear strength of soil এর কাৰণে কৰোঁ। Question number 63, the shape of the particle size distribution curve is represented by এইটো আমি coefficient of curvature এইটো দি বুজাও আমি, আৰু তোমাৰ যোনটো হে আছিল আৰু আমাৰ coefficient of curvature এইটো হয় CU is equal to D30 square divided by D60 into D10 এইটো হয় আমাৰ curvature কাৰণে। আৰু question number 64 দিয়া আছে, the primary function of slipper is to maintain the gauge to take loads from the to give cushioning action to give stability to the train, আমাৰ option D হ'ব correct option। Question number 65, oh question number 60 was the same, so just skip. Question number 66, the size of rebate is expressed by type of head নহয়, তাৰপিছত length of shank নহয়, diameter of diameter of the shank আমি size of rebate express কৰোঁ। Question number 67, in suspension bridges bending moment due to uniformly distributed load over the entire span is কি কৈছে uniformly distributed load no over the entire span, so এইটো আমাৰ 0 হ'ব। Question number 68, wind load analysis can be done by using IS 875 part 1 এইটো আমি dead load কাৰণে কৰোঁ। তাৰপিছত part 5 এইটো আমি shrinkage or clip load কাৰণে কৰোঁ, আৰু part IS 875 part 2 এইটো আমি imposed load কাৰণে কৰোঁ। আৰু আমাক সুধিছে wind load ন, এইটো obviously wind load হ'ব 875 part 3, yes wind load, option D is the correct option। So since gauge pressure actually হয় আমাৰ atmospheric pressure নহয়, এইটো হ'ব absolute pressure minus atmospheric pressure, we know absolute pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure, sorry yes absolute pressure is equal to plus gauge pressure, so ইয়াৰ পৰা gauge pressure আমাৰ হ'ব absolute minus atmospheric, so here option C is the correct option। Question number 70, at the neutral axis of a beam, neutral axis of the beam, the layers are subjected to maximum bending stress no, the layers are subjected to minimum bending stress no, the layers are subjected to compression no, the layers do not undergo strain, yes option D is the correct option। Question number 72, the maximum number of jets generally employed in an impulse turbine without jet interface no, number of jet কৈছে এইটো impulse turbine, so option 2 নহয়, C4 নহ'ব, B এটো খালি মিলাই আছে, B টো হ'ব 6, option B is the correct option। Question number 72, so a bar having cross sectional area 100 pi meter square millimeter square হয়, millimeter square is subjected to a tensile force of 40 kN tensile stress, so formula tensile stress is equal to force per area, so force to দিয়ে আছে 40 kN to Newton 3 divided by 100 into pi, which is equal to 127.32 MPa, the option C is the correct option। Question number 73, the rate of hydration and hydrolysis of cement depends upon soundness নহয়, rate of hydration fineness, yes fineness is the correct option C। When the cement is finer then strength কি হৈ যায় বেছি হৈ যাব, আৰু তেতিয়া surface area hydration টো বেছি হৈ যাব, ঠিক আছে, so rate of hydration টো এনেকৈ বেছি আৰু হৈ যাব যেতিয়া fineness হৈ যাব। Next 74, the horizontal wooden or steel members which support the common rafter in a truss is called yes it is purlin হ'ব এইটো, and so cleats টো হ'ব আমাৰ যোনটো স্মল ব্ৰেকেট ফৰ্মটোৰ নিচিনা এংগেল হৈ থাকে, আৰু যোনটো ছাপৰ্ট হিচাপে এজ এ মেম্বাৰ হিচাপে ইউজ কৰা যায়, আৰু যোনটো পোষ্ট আছে ন, পোষ্টটো হ'ব তোমাৰ মেইন ভাৰ্টিকেল নহয় বা তোমাৰ লিভিং ছাপৰ্টটো যোনটো ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ থাকে, আৰু তোমাৰ বেটেন্সটো তোমাৰ থিন ষ্ট্ৰিপ অফ উড হয়, আৰু যোনটো ইউজ কৰা হয় তোমাৰ মেম্বাৰটো ধৰি ৰাখিবলৈ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰৰ লগত বা ফিক্স পইণ্ট এটা থাকিবলৈ, ঠিক আছে, এইটো হ'ল বেটেন্স কৈ দিলোঁ, ঠিক আছে, তো ইয়াতে আমাৰ পাৰ্লিন হ'ব। 75, the effective earth pressure is always less than passive earth pressure, yes it option A is the correct answer। Question number 76, water from kitchen bathrooms wash basins is called sewage নহয়, raw sewage বুলিও নহয়, এইটো আমাৰ sluice বুলি হ'ব, ঠিক আছে sluice, আৰু যোনটো হিউমেন ওয়েষ্ট লাইক তোমাৰ ইউৰেন এজুলেছ তোমাৰ যোনটো ৱেষ্ট এটাৰ ভেৰিয়াছ চ'ৰ্চেছ সেইটো আমাৰ কি হ'ব সিৱেজ বুলি ক'ব, ঠিক আছে, আৰু লিকুইড ওয়েষ্ট যেনেকুৱা তোমাৰ কিচেন বাথৰুমছ ৱাশ বেচিন সেইবিলাক আমি স্লুইজ বুলি কওঁ, ঠিক আছে। তো question number 77, arrange the flowing process in order of their treatment given to মেথড অফ যোনটো পিউৰিফিকেশ্যন অফ ৱাটাৰ আছে এইটো ফাৰ্ষ্টত আমাৰ স্ক্ৰিনিং আহিছে হা নেক্সট আহিব আমাৰ এৰেশ্যন তাৰপিছত আহিব প্লেন চেডিমেণ্টেশ্যন তাৰপিছত আহিব আমাৰ চেডিমেণ্টেশ্যন উইথ কোগুলেশ্যন হ'ব ইয়াৰ পিছত হ'ব ফিল্টাৰেশ্যন ইয়াৰ পিছত হ'ব আমাৰ ডিসইনফেকশ্যন তাৰপিছত হ'ব আমাৰ ৱাটাৰ টু ডিষ্ট্ৰিবিউশ্যন পাইপ চেণ্ট ৱাটাৰ টু ডিষ্ট্ৰিবিউশ্যন পাইপ ঠিক আছে তো এইটো কেনেকৈ হ'ব আমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ অল হ'ব লাগিব আমাৰ স্ক্ৰিনিং তাৰপিছত হ'ব লাগিব আমাৰ এৰেশ্যন তাৰমানে 3 5 তাৰপিছত হ'ব আমাৰ প্লেন চেডিমেণ্টেশ্যন আমি 3 5 4 তাৰপিছত হ'ব লাগিব আমাৰ ডিসইনফেকশ্যন তাৰপিছত তোমাৰ প্লেন হ'ব এইটো আমাৰ অপশ্যন ডি হ'ব 3 ফাৰ্ষ্ট অফ 3 হ'ব তাৰপিছত 5 হ'ব তাৰপিছত 4 হ'ব তাৰপিছত অন হ'ব তাৰপিছত ক্লোৰিনেশ্যন মিন্স ডিসইনফেকশ্যন ঠিক আছে কোৱেশ্চন নাম্বাৰ 78 hygroscopic water is also called so এইটো hygroscopic water is a adsorbed water ঠিক আছে আৰু এইটো আমি ইউজ কৰো আমি যোনটো সেই থাকে আৰু এইটো কি মানে পাৰ্মানেণ্ট যোনটো উইলিং পইণ্ট থাকে এইটো তোমাৰ হাইড্ৰস্কিপ ৱাটাৰটো থাকে তাৰ বিলো দা পাৰ্মানেণ্ট উইলিং পইণ্ট ঠিক আছে আৰু তোমাৰ এইটো আমি ৰিমুভ কৰিব নোৱাৰো ইজিলি ৰিমুভ নহয় মানে সইল পাৰ্টিকলছৰ পৰা সিন্স এইটো তোমাৰ প্লান্টছৰ কাৰণে ইউজ নহয় ঠিক আছে নেক্সট সো ইয়াতে আমাৰ কোশ্চেন অপশ্যন এ টু কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যন হ'ব তাৰপিছত হ'ব কোশ্চেন নাম্বাৰ 80 the shear force and bending moment diagram are always negative in case of আমাৰ কেন্টিলিভাৰ কাৰণে হয় ঠিক আছে shear force diagram টো always negative হ'ব কেন্টিলিভাৰ কাৰণে diagram always negative in case of তোমাৰ সেইটো তাৰপিছত কোশ্চেন নাম্বাৰ 81 a hydrometer is used hydrometer আমি ক'ত ইউজ কৰোঁ hydrometer টো আমি specific derivative of liquid question number 82 Froude's number is a ratio so Froude number to get f I root over divided by f g so ratio of কি হ'ব inertial force to derivative force ঠিক আছে question number 83 contour interval অপশ্যন এ দিয়া আছে ইনভাৰ্সলি প্ৰপৰ্শনাল টু দ্য স্কেল অফ দ্য মেপ ইয়েছ এইটো আমাৰ কাৰেক্ট হ'ব অপশ্যনে আৰু যদি তোমাৰ সাপোজ স্কেলটো যদি স্মল হৈ যায় ঠিক আছে স্মল হৈ যায় তেতিয়া কণ্ট্ৰল ইণ্টাৰভেল ডাঙৰ হৈ যাব লাৰ্জ হৈ যাব আৰু যদি সৰু হৈ যায় আৰু স্কেল যদি লাৰ্জ হৈ যায় তেতিয়া আমাৰ কণ্ট্ৰল ইণ্টাৰভেলটো স্মল হ'ব লাগিব ঠিক আছে কোৱেশ্চন নাম্বাৰ 40 sorry question number 84 দিয়া আছে what is the correction for curvature of curve point distance 2.48 ঠিক আছে so we know the formula given d is equal to 2.48 kilometer okay so correction for curvature will be 0.0785 d square so when you put the value of d we get 0.4828 approximately 483 meter option 483 option is the correct answer question number 85 an experiment was done one orifice values of coefficient contraction cc and coefficient of velocity c were reported as cc there is a 0.6 and cv there is a 0.9 the value of coefficient of distance we know the distance formula coefficient of distance formula cc into cb so we put the value and we get 0.6 into 0.9 is equal to 0.54 which is option a is the correct option question number 86 তোমাৰ rheological properties of concrete do not depend on ফার্স্ট অপশন দিয়া আছে টেম্পারেচার নহয় টাইপ অফ সিমেন্ট নহয় ওয়াটার সিমেন্ট রেশিও নহয় টাইপ অফ মিক্সার ইয়েস টাইপ অফ মিক্সার is the correct option next the first method invented for planning projects was yes এইটো কাৰণে আমাৰ বাৰসাট মেথড আছিলে question number 88 in a theodolite the line of collimation is parallel to axis of plate নহয় তাৰপিছত parallel to vertical axis নহয় perpendicular to the tuning axis yes perpendicular to the option c is the correct option তাৰপিছত 89 the septic tank is a septic tank কি হয় তোমাৰ yes septic tank is a digestion and settling tank option a and b only correct option ঠিক আছে question number 90 to control the quantity of water and entry of soil in canal we use head regulators episode question number 91 the optimum depth of core watering for rice so rice এর কারণে আমি 130 নহয় এটো আছিল আমাৰ 190 yes option is the correct option আৰু তোমাৰ wheat or কারণে আছিল 13.5 সেন্টিমিটাৰ ঠিক আছে আৰু সুগাৰ কেনৰ কাৰণে আছিলে 16.5 সেন্টিমিটাৰ ঠিক আছে question number 92 in RCC or footing the minimum cover should be 60 নহয় 40 নহয় 50 is 50 in double reinforcement percentage should not be exceed reinforced section total এটো আমাৰ 8 হয় question number 94 the contract system through which minor maintenance works are done within a specific period of contract এটো lump sum নহয় piece work contract নহয় এটো আমাৰ term contract হ'ব option 6 is the correct option the amount of deposit paid by the tender bidder at the time of submitting the tender is called আমাৰ যোনটো হে হয় option C is the correct option is answer since the amount of deposit so shape to হ'ব আমাৰ cubic parabola ঠিক আছে so এনেকৈ suppose আমাৰ linearly কি আছে getting linearly varying load ন তো এনেকৈ হ'ব so এটা কাৰণে bending moment diagram টো হ'ব আমাৰ এনেকৈ হ'ব cubic parabola ঠিক আছে তো 3 degree curve question number 97 the stopping distance for two-way traffic with single lane if the leg distance 35 meter and braking distance দিয়েছে আমাক 25 meter ঠিক আছে তো since leg distance to আমার দিয়েছে we know stopping side distance is equal to leg distance plus braking distance ঠিক আছে remember this so leg distance দিয়েছে আমাক 35 আৰু ইফালে braking distance দিয়েছে 25 তো which is equal to 60 meter আৰু কৈছে two way traffic কাৰণে since two way traffic তো এইটো কাৰণে আমাৰ হ'ব 2 into SSD কৰিলে আমাৰ two way traffic কাৰণে that means 120 meter for two way ঠিক আছে so 180 option is the correct option next plasticity chart gives a relation between plastic limit and liquid limit নহয় plastic limit and liquid নহয় liquid index আমাৰ plastic index আৰু liquidity limit হ'ব ঠিক আছে next plasticity chart gives a relation oh sorry this question is also double question number 100 what will be the shear modulus of the material with elastic modulus of 240 CPa and Poisson's ratio is 0.2 we know the formula uh, E is equal to twice G bracket 1 plus mu is the Poisson ratio 2 into Z value on idea 1 plus 0.2 so simplify Z is equal to 240 divided by 1.2 into 2 which is equal to 100 GPa ঠিক আছে তো আমাৰ answer হ'ব 100 আৰু thanks for watching ঠিক আছে আৰু আমাৰ এইটো যোনটো হৈ আছে লিংকটো দি আছে এইটো জয়েন হৈ ল'লে ঠিক আছে community WhatsApp community আছে for update information regarding exam